I have here a Batoka S6 mini polisher. Comes with this nice case, keep things nice and tidy. And then inside, we've got the polisher here with two different heads, some batteries, a charger, and then there's a whole bunch of accessories up here. Take it all out and spread it out so we can have a close-up of what everything is in this case and what all it comes with. So this Batoka S6 polishing allows for the quick change of these adapters. You've got the random here and then the orbital one here, and it makes it super easy to change them out. And then up here you've got the rotary attachment right here, so it's not going to be random or orbital if you're using that one. So the rotary adapter should only be used with the 1-inch backing plate, where these others can work with the 1, 2, or 3-inch backing plate. So here's the 1-inch, 2-inch, and 3-inch backing plates. And then there are some pads as well for all three sizes. And they just have Velcro to quickly and easily attach to those backing plates. So here you can see there's the straight detail head right here. And then over here is the L-shaped detail head. The straight one is going to work with these pieces here, where the L shape is going to work with the backing plates and the pads. So keep in mind that when you're using the straight detail head, it does spin faster. So you're going to want to slow the machine down when you're using it so you don't cause any paint damage to your vehicle. So something to be aware of, this L connector here has gears and shafts inside of it, and it's made of metal, but this does get hot. It is designed to be that way. It will not cause damage to this itself, but it will get hot, and so in order to help keep you from getting burned or any discomfort, there are these plastic shields right here. It does come with 2 of them. Anytime you're done changing out the tip on this, make sure you pop the plastic piece back on. It's super easy. You're just going to line it up, clip it back on. That way you're not going to have any issues with getting burned or any discomfort from the heat produced by that shaft. It also comes with a bag of some microfiber cloths to help wipe things down and clean up when you're done. So you can see I've got the straight attachment on with a green sponge here. I'm going to do back inside this handle. This is the kind of spot that a big polisher would not be able to get to, but this little portable is going to be able to get down in here and polish this up really easily and quickly. So here you can see just how well the polisher did right here on the door handle, where it's normally really hard to get to polish and clean. So switching out from the straight head to the L head is super easy. You're just going to loosen up this locking nut right here. It comes right off. Take the other one. There's a little notch and a notch. Line up the notches. And then you got to get it slipped down into the gear and then tighten it up, and you're ready to go. So I've got the L connector on, as well as the orbital attachment head and a 1-inch backing plate with a 1-inch polishing pad. I've got the plastic protector on to help keep it from getting hot. I'm going to go ahead and do some of the trimming here on my door. And this is where this is going to be super handy because it's super small and easy to use. So now that I'm done polishing that spot, make sure you wipe off all the excess polish, and you can see just how good it looks with just a little bit of work. It makes it super easy to polish even, tight, and small spaces. I'm also going to use the bigger 3-inch head here, and I've got some bigger scratches here that I'm going to see if I can get off using the bigger attachment, and again the orbital attachment head on that. Now we're going to wipe it off and see how well it works. So it's super easy using the portable polisher to get and do some touch-up spots. So you can see a lot of those scratches are faded now. So it's really easy to come and just do some touch-up work or get into the detail spots using that portable polisher. So this Batoka S6 mini polisher is super handy. It's really nice to get into the tight spaces on your car, like the trimming behind the handles or the inside trimmings of the doors. Works really good for spot polishing as well. And it's super handy because it's portable, battery powered, and comes with everything you're gonna need to polish up your car.